to take you all on a tour of my kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen. So y'all, let's get right to it. Okay, Glam fam, the first thing I want to show you all is this canvas painting. I painted this previously. This was one of the first paintings that I painted, so it's not perfect. As a matter of fact, none of this stuff is perfect, y'all. Just giving you ideas of what you can do. These sticks or whatever came from a friend of mine. This vase came from Dee Dee's. I painted these blinds, and I know a lot of people don't like blinds, but I do. I'm just showing you what you can do. You don't have to like what I do. You can do it yourself or whatever. This place setting, this placemat came from Home Goods. This charger from Dollar Tree, and I just used some backsplash towel to put the little gems around. I had the small and large. The napkin ring, I got the napkin ring from Dollar Tree, and I just added a crown here from Walmart, and I used the spoons, the handles to the spoon, to do that part. This glass is a DIY as well, and it's just crushed glass. That's it. The pearl beads, I got the pearl beads from Amazon, and you just put the gel beads inside and it'll give you the floating effect. That's what I, liked it about this little look or whatever. It was a little different than what people normally put on their table, so I liked it that. And these came from Pier 1 Import, and that's a little flower arrangement. The vase was a DIY. Y'all should be familiar by now with this coffee bar. I love this coffee bar, and I definitely use it. It's functional. This is what I use every day. The Oreo cookies are not from me, y'all. They are from my grandkids. I love my spice. I call this a spice saver, spice space saver. That's what I call it. So all you do is take the spice off, use the spice and put it back. So it's magnetic, so that's cool. I have the tea, sugar and honey pop stored over here. This is my little tea area. And this is a DIY, a little tray that I made just for my soaps and my dishwasher pods and all of that. I usually don't have this setting on here every day, but these plates and stuff came from At Home. It's a Waverly. These actually came from Amazon. I ordered Dollar Tree glasses and Dollar Tree little mirrored squares. I hardly see those at Dollar Tree anymore, but oh well. This little cake plate, I actually got this from the Goodwill, and I just put the diamond wrap around it. Of course, this came from At Home. I have a vase on top of my refrigerator. I have a lot of color in here. I love color. I love it. So if you all don't do a lot of color in your kitchen, that's fine. I do. I like it. So these are some champagne glasses and, you know, just some stuff I made, DIY stuff I made to go on top of the cabinets just to give it a pop of color. And I do have lights up there and lights around the bar, the bar area right here. And these door pulls, cabinet pulls or whatever. I like these, y'all. I didn't want the other kind. I just wanted something a little different, so I got those. And it also matches my chairs. Okay, so this is my stove area, and this is the noodle board that I made on the DIY that you are welcome to go look at anytime you get ready. And also this paper towel holder. Usually I don't keep paper towels out. I keep them up under the cabinet, but I just wanted to show you all this. I made this. It's on my channel, a how-to tutorial on how to make that. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna show y'all is this mirror that I made. This mirror that I made a while back or whatever, but I made this out of crushed diamond and picture frames from Walmart and from Dollar Tree. So, if y'all are liking what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for inviting me into your home. Thank you for I'm almost at 10,000, y'all. So I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you so much.